Hi, it's Dr. Roost from Delta Chiropractic Center, and we are at the end of the year, Christmas time, New Year's, and we all have wishes, right? We spent the last few months, and especially maybe the holidays, wishing we were healthier, wishing we could start something new, and putting it off until the new year. Well, it's that time. So I want to encourage you that you can put wheels on your wishes. You can make your goals, your health goals happen, and Delta Chiropractic Center can help you do that. But there are some things you can do on your own too. So let's review some of those. If you want to particularly, seems like this time of the year, it's a lose weight kind of goal. We get in that mentality, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to start working out. Well, last week we did a live video, and you can find it on our Facebook page, about how to exercise with the 5 components of exercise in a weekly routine. And that's crucial even if your goal is to lose weight. You've got to burn more calories. You've got to raise your metabolism, and working out helps to do that. Another piece of losing weight is the complication of calories versus burning calories, because there's more to it than just eat less, and there's more to it than just exercise more. There's genetics, there's time of year, there's timing, there's chemistry, there's biology. All these pieces make it more difficult than it seems like it should have to be just to lose weight, because it's a worthy goal to lose some weight, but it's not all that easy to do. So here's something that may help. You've heard of different kinds of diets, and keto diet certainly is one of the rages these days. The last couple of years seems like there's been more and more mileage to that, and that's because it works. Keto diet is summarized by eating less calories, limiting calories, recognizing that calories are poison when it comes to losing weight. So you got to limit your calories, and you got to do it dramatically. If you want to go into a ketosis state where you're burning fat, you got to get rid of calories. So the less calories you eat, the better. So that includes grains, pastas, breads, sugars, including fruit. If you can believe it, fruit is will not let you go into ketosis. So you got to limit fruit even though fruit is good for you. If you're trying to lose weight, the sugar in fruit will stop you from burning fat. You'll burn carbohydrates, but not the fat. We give some real strict guidelines. We have a kind of a thing set up with not only the keto supplement, which I'll tell you some more about in a minute. That's backwards, sorry about that, but it's keto supplements. And then we have kind of a program here. The supplement itself is $50 for a bottle. It'll last for a month. But the keys are to burn fat, minimize carbohydrates, and drink a lot of water. You want to drink a lot of water. It does a number of things. It helps flush toxins out. It fills you up so you're not so hungry. And let's see what else. A number of factors to drinking water. You won't be hungry. So up to a gallon a day, which is a lot of water. So you got to drink a lot of water. Carbohydrates, got to limit them, particularly, and I hate to give you this easy out, but the most important time to not eat carbohydrates is after 3 in the afternoon, because every carbohydrate you eat after 3 afternoon is going to turn to fat overnight. It just is going to. So dramatically limit carbohydrates, especially after 3 o'clock, but even all day, just try to cut them out. Another piece is you cannot go on a ketosis diet indefinitely. Two things start happening. You start burning muscle, and your body starts to go into a bit of a panic mode and begins to chemically think that you're starving, and so it'll stop burning fat again. So after 30 days of a ketosis diet, you want to take a day or 2 off, or even a week off. And don't go crazy and eat all the pies in the house, but take a couple days off. That reassures your body that indeed you're not starving. Then you can go back on your strict ketosis diet and start burning fat again. The supplement itself is a good supplement. There's a bunch of different things in it that help you burn calories faster. This, however, will not work unless you're doing the other things too. This is not a magic pill. If you're taking this and still eating a bunch of carbohydrates, you're not going to lose weight, no matter how many of these you take. If you're taking this and not drinking a lot of water, you're not going to lose weight. You've got to do the diet right, and if you are doing it right, this will speed up the process. So this is available. You can get it here. It's $50 for a bottle here. You can get it online. You can get it at a health food store. So that's ketosis. We're at the end of the year, beginning of a new year. We can help you with that. We'd be glad to help you with that. We're available to our patients to help coach you through a month of ketosis diet. That's an additional $45 on top of the supplement. So if that helps you, we're available to do that. What else? we want you to get better, stay better as long as you can. That's what Delta Chiropractic Center is all about. So we're here to serve you any way we can. Glad to come alongside you as part of your team as you approach and meet and exceed your goals. You can do this, so dive in. Dr. Roost and Dr. Dale at Delta Chiropractic Center, God bless you. We'll see you down the trail.